In the small village of Rossinac, IAD's very own Sebastian Fontaires is happy to present you with this beautiful wooden house that has views stretching as far as the eye can see. In a calm and relaxing residential setting with nature all around, you'll find this 2010 built house in perfect condition both inside and out. Entering from the garden into this vast open living space on the first floor, you'll be amazed by this modern interior and luminosity that greets you with open arms. Built on a plot of 1,500 square metres with 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, plus an office or games room on the second floor and a double garage of approximately 90 square metres, this is a perfect family home. Thanks to this suspended staircase, the light can follow you up to the second floor, where you'll find a good-sized bedroom and Goldilocks' daddy bear already fast asleep. And it's here along this landing that you'll be introduced to the bright games room and the 2 smaller bedrooms and bathroom. Then heading back outside onto a spacious terrace, you can rest your eyes on the perfectly pruned flower bed and the green grass of home. If this property has your skin bumping, then wait not. Call Sebastian for more details.